Yo, what's good, everybody, man? I'm back with another video. Happy Sunday to everybody. I appreciate you all for watching the videos. And in this video, I'm gonna teach you guys how I remove the background noise in all of my videos using DaVinci Resolve 18, but also using the noise reduction effect. So before I actually show you how to use the noise reduction effect, I'm gonna show you what the audio sounds like straight from the camera. So what you're hearing right now is the audio straight from the camera. So I have a Sony a6400. I believe the volume is set to about 4, and I have the Rode VideoMicro as my microphone that I use to record my videos. And you can hear how bad the audio is and that annoying hissing sound. I think the hissing sound is for like all shotgun mics. I think it has something to do with the aux cable, which I think switches to like an analog. I'm not like a music engineer, but I think that's what it is, and that's what creates the loud hissing noise. So whenever we use noise reduction, or whenever I was using noise reduction, what I would do is I would put the noise reduction over the entire track. Then I would choose auto speech, so that way that DaVinci Resolve can figure out what is the background noise that I want to remove from the actual dialogue. And when I did that, it makes my voice sound really like a robot. And I tried fixing it with like the EQs, but it's just not the same. So what I found out is if you press record, give your clip about 15 to 20 seconds of no dialogue and just let your mic or your camera pick up the like noise inside of the room or the environment that you're recording in. So then when you go to DaVinci Resolve and you add your noise reduction, what you should do is put your playhead at the beginning of the track, add your noise reduction, choose manual, and let your video play or let the track play while clicking learn. So what that does is it's only going to pick up that 15 to 20 seconds of no dialogue, but just straight background noise. So it's picking up the hissing sound. Maybe you have wind in the background because you're shooting and it's windy outside. You could have some neighbors upstairs. Your heat could be on. Whatever the noise is of that 15 to 20 seconds, manual is going to pick that up and it's going to remove that from the entire track, or at least as best as possible from the entire track. So it's also going to change your dialogue of your voice because you're putting that noise reduction on the entire audio track, but it's not trying to go beyond your voice to find the background noise that you want to remove. It's going to automatically find it because you're using the 15 to 20 seconds of no dialogue, but just straight background noise. And ever since I've been doing that, I noticed a huge difference when it came to the audio in my videos. As you can see right now, this audio sounds really good compared to the unedited version or straight out the camera version, or even the auto speech mode. This just sounds way better. So that is it for this video, man. This is a really quick tutorial on how I use noise reduction and what I learned, at least, from using noise reduction in DaVinci Resolve 18. So if you like this video, man, this video helped you all, go ahead and hit that like button and go ahead and subscribe to the channel, man. I appreciate everybody for watching. So I will see you all next Sunday with a new video. Thank you for watching, man.